Okay, out in the workshop here, just finished up on this gorgeous wedding ring holder. This has got some turquoise beads up here. This is cocobolo wood back here. The ring, the post sets on cocobolo wood. Let me zoom, or let me bring it over to you. The wedding ring sets right there. It's cocobolo wood here. This is these pieces here, the L-shaped pieces, are black walnut, and we can see the back of it. The cocobolo wood. I use cocobolo wood right here. I've got to put some felt up here on the heart. Haven't done that yet, but we'll get it done. Anyway, there's the gorgeous looking. If you like turquoise, this is it. This is the one right here. Going to be on the website at luxuryringhaven.com. So let's take a look at it real quick. Set it down. Okay, we're looking at it on the work table now, on the workbench, and of course it's got the turquoise all the way around it. The base, the main base, is cocobolo wood. The heart's cocobolo wood. It's got a clear acrylic on the heart. And the wedding ring sets on a cocobolo post. This is black walnut where the turquoise is setting. So this is all black walnut and then the turquoise. Gorgeous piece. See it on the website. You're looking at it right here on YouTube today. We've looked at it now. So there it is. luxuryringhaven.com. Luxury is spelled L-U-X-E, ringhaven.com. So you're probably looking at this on the website. You could be looking at it on YouTube, and if you are, flip over, and I've got the link down in the description if you want to see it there on the website. So have a blessed day. Keep walking with Jesus, and stay tuned for the next wedding ring holder.